In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Expedia ChatGPT plugin, explained in a simple and practical way. To get started, open the Expedia page for its ChatGPT integration. This is the official page where Expedia explains how the connection works and where you can begin the setup process. Once you're on that page, take a moment to look over the information so you understand that this tool lets you search for travel options through ChatGPT and then complete your booking with Expedia. Next, click on the option labeled How to Get Started. This section is important because it walks you through the setup flow Expedia wants you to follow. If you're new to ChatGPT connectors or plugins, this is the easiest place to begin since it points you directly to the tools you need and helps avoid confusion. From there, follow the first setup instruction and click the button that takes you to the ChatGPT connectors page, where you can add the Expedia app. This step links Expedia with your ChatGPT experience so you can search for travel options more directly inside a conversation. Make sure the app is successfully added before moving on, because the remaining steps depend on that connection being active. Once that's done, start a new conversation in ChatGPT. Beginning a fresh chat helps keep your request clear and gives the Expedia connector a clean context to work with. This is especially helpful if you've been discussing unrelated topics in previous chats. Now you're ready to ask Expedia for a flight or a place to stay. Be as specific as possible when writing your request, because clearer details usually lead to better results. For example, you can type something like, Expedia, find me hotels in New York, October 12th through 15/15. You can use a similar format for flights as well. Including destination, dates, and the type of travel you want makes the search much more useful. After that, browse the results that appear. Take your time comparing the available options and look for the one that best matches your travel needs. When you found the right choice, click Book on Expedia. This moves you from the search stage into the booking process on Expedia itself. Finally, once your booking is completed, you can view it in the Trips section of Expedia. That's where your reservation details are stored, making it easy to check your itinerary later. And that's how to use the Expedia ChatGPT plugin from setup to booking in a straightforward way.